What year is this?
It's a 97 Ford F-250.
Begin by unplugging the battery.
And then you just put it up into run. So this one's a Phillips, and then this is the ball that you have to push to press to pull out the ignition cylinder. It's starting to come out.
Using a long, blunt object from underneath the steering wheel, release the ignition cylinder.
And see how it, I know I'm touching it there.
Because it's moving.
Yep. There we go. And so this is the button you're pushing on to release it. There's this tilt.
After removing the steering column screws, tilt the wheel up and remove the tilt lever to remove the lower molding.
Let's put that back in there.
Return the tilt lever and tilt the wheel down to remove the collar and upper molding.
Right there.
Okay, got it.
So, in here, let's get some light. See where it's rubbed through.
So that's causing our short circuit
Yep.
whenever you switch into gears.
And I think the best way to just to repair that is just to wrap it.
Protect this with an electrical tape wrap.
Perfect.
Wrap it around this whole thing for good measure.
Mm-hmm.
Begin reassembling.
On the collar.
There we go. The button goes in that slot right there. Perfect.
Now let's replace that blown 5-amp fuse.
So,
Does the case come on?
that's not green?
I don't know, it's like a peach or something. There. Got it. Okay, continuity.
There's the good one. There's the bad one. Put that in. That's that guy right there. So they're good.
$250,000 miles.
Let's see if it shorts out.
Yep.
I put it into drive. Nope.
How can you tell?
Well, it's not losing it. Before it didn't have any dials.
Yeah.
So all the dials were just sitting way over at 0.
They die, yeah.
Or E or L, or you had no readings on any of these, and now we have readings on them all. So, and when we move this, before, you would just move it down to drive and it would short everything out and you just lose them all, it would blow the fuse. And so now, moving it around, it doesn't do that. We fixed the electrical wire.
How sweet is that?
That's awesome.